Hey guys, I will be short here today. I wanna just show you this BMW Z1 from 91. This is an old car that you don't see on the street. It's really amazing. I found that in a BMW and it's really great. It's have over 30 years old, and I want to show you this car and two doors, how the handle of the doors are here and you can pull the door up after you get in. It's really interesting. From here you can pull it up. It's really great, and you see where the key is going in to close and open the door. It's really great. It's crazy. Here is the back Z1, BMW Z1, and under the car, as you can see, it has this exhausted door there, and here the number plate. You cannot open the door from here. You have to put the key to open the trunk. Here is the light, and here is the entrance. Here you see, I was really impressed about this steering wheel and the seat. They are really great seat. They are from leather, and here the steering wheel, it's great quality. And this, you see this, all this old stuff is really interesting, and the brake, it's leather, and here it's Alcantara. They're very well made. Really impressed me, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and please like, subscribe, and I wait you next time for another video.